Good morning student. In previous video we have completed up to question number 4 from exercise 4.3. Today here I take question number 5. Question number 5 is given, construct a rectangle PQRS in which QR is equal to 4.6 cm and diagonal PR is given 6 cm. Construct rectangle PQRS. Here I draw the rough sketch of rectangle PQRS in which QR it is given 4.6 cm and PR diagonal of the rectangle is given 6 cm. Using this information, here we construct the rectangle. First here I draw the side of rectangle QR, that is 4.6 cm. QR 4.6 cm. We know that in rectangle each angle of 90 degree. Here I construct angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Okay. After the diagonal of rectangle PR it is given 6 cm. Take 6 cm distance in compose. Okay. Using R point as a center and make one arc here. In this way here we get the third vertex of the rectangle, that is P. Okay. Now here we have to find out the fourth vertex of the rectangle S. Now distance of the S from P, it is 4.6 cm. Correct? Because opposite side of rectangles are equal, that is QR is equal to PS. Similarly PS is equal to what? SR. Clear? Here I take PQ distance. Opposite side of rectangles are equal. Opposite sides of rectangles are equal. Using R point as a center, make one arc here like that. Then take QR distance. Then using P point as a center, make one arc which cut the previous arc like that. Here we get the point of intersection. This is the fourth vertex of rectangle S. Then join PR and PS. This is the required rectangle of given measurement. Okay. Here we mention the dimension. Diagonal PR it is given 6 cm. I hope student you understand this construction. Let's see the next example. Question number 6. Question number 6 is given, construct a rhombus in which measure of the diagonals are 8 cm and 6 cm. Diagonal of rhombus are given 6 cm and 8 cm. Remember the property for the diagonal of rhombus. Diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of each other. Using that property, here we construct the rectangle. Okay. Sorry, rhombus. Here I draw rough sketch of rhombus ABCD, in which AC is given 6 cm, BD is equal to what? 8 cm. First draw any one diagonal of this rhombus. Here I draw BD. BD is equal to what? Sorry, AC is equal to what? 6 cm. AC 6 cm. Then draw perpendicular bisector of AC. Take more than half distance of AC. Using A point as a center, make one arc above AC and below AC. Using same distance, using C point as a center, make one arc which cut the previous arc like that. Okay. Then draw a line passing through these 2 points. Okay. Length of diagonal BD is given 8 cm. Okay, half of 8 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter. You have to take 4 centimeter distance using O point as a center. Make one arc here above and one arc here on this perpendicular bisector. In this way we get the remaining two vertices of the rhombus, that is A, name this is B, C and this is D. Clear? And length of BD is equal to what? 8 centimeter. Then join AB, AD, CD, BC. Okay? In this way here we get the required rhombus of given measurement when the diagonals of rhombus are given. This is all for today, student. Thank you. Thank you very much.